Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making these healthy, high protein, high fiber kebabs which are very high on flavor, and they're made in like about 1 teaspoon ghee, that's all. So you're going to love this recipe, especially for people who are looking for weight loss or diabetics. It's great for diabetics. So yeah, let's get started. I'm steaming 5 raw bananas and I'm steaming them for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm also boiling 1.5 cup of water, and I'll be adding half cup of soya granules to it. So let it boil. So you can steam your bananas and you can boil these soya granules side by side. I've also added 1/4 teaspoon of salt to the water. We'll cook this for 5 minutes. Now soya is also known as vegetarian meat, and you'll be surprised to know that it has more protein content than eggs, meat and milk. So yeah, it's great for vegetarians. I'm just draining all the water and then I'll be rinsing it with cold water twice. You should do this process in your sink ideally. I was recording the video here on my slab, so I was doing it here, but obviously it's far easier when you do it in your sink. So just rinse it with cold water properly and then squeeze out the excess water. Now we'll peel our bananas, and the upcoming video would be about banana peels and how to use them to make some sabzi. So don't throw away these peels, these are highly nutritious and we can make like a very tasty sabzi with it. Also, raw bananas are high in fiber and they are high in resistant starch, which like keep you full for long. Even soya helps to keep you full for long. So this is a great recipe for people looking for weight loss. It's high fiber from the banana, high protein from the soya. Now I'm adding some finely chopped onion and some grated carrot, adding in lots of chopped coriander, fresh coriander, adding in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. So we are just working on the flavor now, adding in some salt to taste, adding in a pinch of black pepper. So I've crushed some black peppercorns and very little besan, about 1/8 cup of besan, and we are just going to mash it all, mix it all together. Now take about 1 tablespoon of the mixture and make these round balls. Now we are gonna use an appa maker to fry all these balls. So I'm just greasing my appa maker with some ghee, very little ghee, and most of the products that I've used are homemade, but whatever I have bought from Amazon, I have linked it down in the description. I've also linked down all the ingredients and everything is in the description box, so you can check it out. So we need to cook them on both sides for 5-7 minutes or until they're golden brown on both the sides. So you need to cover it twice, and once they are properly, they have this golden brown crust on the outside and they're properly cooked, you can serve them with some mint yogurt sauce or however you like. I'll also be putting some toothpicks on it, so you can use it as your starter for your party, or if you have guests coming, it becomes easier to have them, but of course this is optional. So yeah, we are done making this healthy yet so yummy recipe. I really hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such recipes, and stay tuned for the banana peel sabzi recipe. You'll get to know how to use the banana peel. So yeah, take care, happy cooking, bye bye.